Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can draw anything in any kind of image in Windows 11. So guys, it's very simple. By default you get a tool which name is snipping tool in Windows 11. Just you need to open it out by typing on the search bar. So I will open that tool, snipping tool, and then you need to click on show more options and open that file by clicking on open file. So I will open that file here. Now you can draw anything here in that image just by using snipping tool. You don't need to install any external tool for doing that. So for example, I will click a pencil option here, then I will select any color. In my case I will select like red color, so I can draw anything right over there like E, F, T, T, and if I want to highlight anything I can use that for as a highlighter. So guys, that's how you can draw anything in any kind of image. It's just an example, it's just a random thing that how you can draw anything in any kind of image in Windows 11 by using only snipping tool. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.